How do I get involved with controls engineering, robotics, overall the whole entire automation process? And it seems like people really want to be able to do the entire automation process. They want to be able to do the type of work an integrator can do. People are not just wanting to do PLC programming or robot programming or vision or electrical engineering. It seems like people are really wanting to be in the overall automation process. Now, whether they want to be in an engineering role or if they want to be more of a process engineer, I think they overall just want to be very deeply involved with the process of automation. And the question that I'm really getting asked is, how do I start? Where do I start? What should I do to be able to even get a job in this role? Some people are asking this question who are already like a PLC programmer, a robot programmer, or they program in structured text for a software company. I get this request actually a lot from outside people who are not necessarily in the industrial automation space or food processing space. They're not really doing much with automation yet, but some people are. Some people are already in the automation